And I kept wondering, why are we stamping again and again, and why are there so many repetitions? It looks easy, but honestly it is very technical. We cannot do Bharatanatyam without doing the Adavus. Your dancing is going to be wobbly and not strong at the same time. So how does it happen? So we don't just learn how to move. And one day you do this with complete ease. Your body is moving without any overthinking. And that's Namaskaram. Welcome back to Gayatri Gatividya Gurukul. Today we are going to talk about the most foundational and beautiful part of Bharatanatyam, Adavus. They were the first thing I learned, and even after years of dancing, I keep going back to them and practicing them every single day. So what is an Adavu really? Adavus are basic rhythmic units in Bharatanatyam. They are done in a specific tempo and a time structure, which also include coordinated movements of the stanakas, which is your feet or legs, mandala, which is your posture, then comes your charis, which is a flowing movement of the body, and hasta mudras, that is hand gestures. So all in all, it is a combination of your movement, rhythm, plus posture. So we don't just learn how to move, we are also at the same time focusing on Anga Shuddhi, which means clean and clear posture, and Tala Shuddhi, which means to catch the perfect rhythm. Just like how we cannot form a sentence without alphabets or letters, similarly, we cannot do Bharatnatyam without doing the Adavus. They are just like the letters or alphabets of a movement. I still remember learning my first Adavu, which was the Tatta Adavu, and it looked so simple, yet it felt so hard, and I kept wondering, why are we stamping again and again, and why are there so many repetitions? And then one day I realized that these repetitions are actually the key to master it, or these repetitions make it better. So how does it happen? It basically teaches you how to be steady in Aramandi. You keep noticing it. It teaches you how to balance your weight evenly on both the legs. Then you also feel this beat inside you and eventually follow along. That's when you understand the rhythmic pattern. And one day you do this with complete ease. Your body is moving without any overthinking, and that's when the dance becomes alive. Let me explain this in a simpler way. Every Adavu is built from footwork, which is stamping, stretching, or even sliding. We also use hand gestures. For example, all the Asamita hand mudras, Patakam, Tripatakam. We use the body postures, most often Aremandi or Gurumandi. And lastly, we follow a rhythmic pattern, which is called Sholakatis. For example, Tai, Ya, Tai. And here's something interesting. All these Adavus are done in Arayamandi, or the Ardha Mandala position, which is a half-sitting posture, making sure that your knees are bent, your torso is erect, and the feet are turned out with one span distance between the heels. It looks easy, but honestly it is very technical, and you can only master it by practicing it multiple times. I've seen a lot of beginners who want to jump directly into learning dance on a particular music, but that's not it. If your Adavus are not strong, your dancing is going to be wobbly and not strong at the same time. This is exactly why we train Adavus in 3 different speeds, or what we call Laya, which is Vilambit, Madhyam, and Drutalaya, slow, medium, and fast respectively. Each one of it teaches you control, balance, and stamina. Just doing it daily for 10 minutes with focused training can make a huge difference. Let's take an example of the first Tatta Adavu. Watch the footwork. You're lifting your right leg and stamping, and repeating the same on the left, making sure that you're stamping flat. This teaches you how to use the breath control, how to be in the right balance and posture. Moving ahead, we'll break down each and every step into a proper step-by-step routine, which will help you gain more confidence and control. If you're ready to build a strong Bharatnatyam foundation from the very basics, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. In the upcoming videos, we'll be exploring the different Adavus step by step. If you want to stay connected with GGG very closely, then you can join the WhatsApp community, the link for which is given in the description. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Namaskaram.